Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading coming up right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested to watch that, you can go ahead, guys, after the general reading. So for your general energies, we have Ace of Wands in reverse, Five of Wands in reverse, and Wands in reverse. So, Scorpios, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or personal life, you are making great efforts or you are not making great efforts. So, that may be the reason for things going downhill in your career or in your personal life, some difficulties. You are just there, you don't know what to do, how to rectify that situation you are facing today. Just waiting and watching, and maybe for some of you, you are arguing, you are going into some kind of arguments with the people in life. So, some kind of stress or troubles because of that. And maybe even in this love, you would have shared uh, an understanding, good understanding with this person. You would have been together for some time now. But though you both are together, there are things that you are not revealing to them, or they are not revealing to you. They are not open about uh, what they feel in their heart of hearts. So they are not telling you what is going on in their mind today. So they are hiding something. Maybe they are seeing you as someone who is talented, intelligent, beautiful, and so commanding in your situation, but they are not that. So they have some kind of jealousy or envy towards you. They feel some kind of jealousy, so that may be the reason they are not ready to open up to you. So they feel that if they tell the truth about them, you may not like them, or you may see them as a very weak personality like you. So they have some inhibitions, some worries to reveal what they feel truly in their heart, guys, Scorpios. So they feel really, what to say, some kind of a negative complex they have, a low esteem maybe. So that may be the reason they are not, what to say, open to you. They are not ready to have that open heart communication with you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Knight of Wands. So, with this card in your relationship, guys, you are a person who is, what to say, very daring, courageous, and you are also passionate. So, you get what you want. Maybe today you are being really open, you are trying to, what to say, pull this person towards you with the way you are showering your attention and love on them. So they may not feel low before you, or feel, what to say, they may feel equal to you in some ways, and they may come out with the truth. So whatever they want to tell you, they may come out with that communication to you, guys, the way you talk to them. So that is what I see with this card. So if you are having that true love for this person, you are going to make it work, Scorpios. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Wands. So in your career, you are having some stubborn views about something, guys. Maybe you are not ready to take the advice or counsel people are giving you in your career, maybe regarding some important decisions. So you need to listen to this person, guys, whoever is giving you that guidance, maybe regarding some important decisions in your life, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For that fairy tale pick a card love reading, stay tuned, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So, with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some a common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So, this may be your story, guys. So, you help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination, and maybe people around you. It may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you. It may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they have, and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So, maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So, you are courageous, you have that willpower, strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So, whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.